What's the best way to store honey in the fridge long term? To store honey long term, place it in a clean, airtight glass container away from heat and direct sunlight, and store it at room temperature. Refrigerating honey is not necessary and can promote crystallization, so if you prefer to store honey for extremely long periods, consider freezing it instead. Choose the right container. Airtight glass. The best option for long-term storage is an airtight glass jar. Glass is non-reactive, preventing it from absorbing flavors or moisture from the air. Avoid contamination. Ensure the container is completely dry and free of any contaminants before adding honey. Avoid metal. Do not use metal containers, as they can react with honey, affecting its taste and consistency. Control temperature and light. Store honey in a cool, dark place at room temperature, such as a kitchen cabinet. Avoid extreme temperatures. Keep honey away from direct sunlight and heat sources, which can degrade its quality and taste. Consider freezing. For very long-term storage, freezing is an excellent option to prevent crystallization. Prevent spoilage and crystallization. Use an airtight container to prevent moisture from entering, which can cause the growth of yeasts and fermentation. Never use dirty utensils when handling honey to prevent introducing water or bacteria. Understand crystallization. Honey may crystallize over time, but this is a natural process and doesn't mean the honey has gone bad. If it crystallizes, you can gently warm the jar in a warm water bath to return it to a liquid state.